Hey everyone, I'm Richard. In video 4 we successfully created selection panels for armors and weapons, allowing players to cycle through different equipment options in real time. In video 5, we're adding a randomize button that will instantly generate random character combinations with just one click, making the character creation process even more fun and interactive. First, let's create the randomize button. Open the main scene and inside the left container, create a new button and name it randomize button. Set its text to randomize. Give it a custom minimum size Y of 100 to make it nice and prominent. Set the font size to 30 in the theme overrides, and create a new style box flat for it so we can give it a black background. Now, let's open the main script and connect this button to a randomize functionality. Add an onReady variable for the randomize button. We can drag it from the scene to get the path or type it manually. In the ready function, let's connect the button's press signal to a new function called onRandomizePressed. Then create the onRandomizePressed function. This will call a pickRandom function on each of our panels: the hair color panel, skin tone panel, armor panel, and weapon panel. Now we need to implement the pickRandom function for each one of them. Let's start with the hair color panel. Open the hair color panel script and add a pickRandom function. Inside, we'll create a random color. When you type color, you'll see suggestions appear. Hover over the options with RGB as parameters, which stand for red, green, and blue. This usage of color is the one we want. We'll use randf for each parameter, which generates a random float between 0 and 1. This will give us a completely random color. Then we'll set the color picker's color to this random color so we can see the new colors reflected on there as well, and emit the change signal so the player's hair color updates. Save the script and let's open the skin tone panel script. Then let's add the pickRandom function. Here we'll set the current skin tone to a random key from our global skin tones dictionary. We can use keys to get all the available skin tone names, and then pick random to select one randomly. If we take a look at our global script, the result of our pickRandom will be one of these skin tones. Then we'll emit the change signal with the selected skin tone. Now it's time for the selection panel script. This is the script that both our armor panel and weapon panel use, so adding pickRandom here will work for both of them. We'll set the current option to a random selection from our options array using pickRandom. Then emit the change signal with the selected option. Save, and now let's go back to the main script. All the panels have now their pickRandom function implemented, so let's run the project and test that everything is working. Click the randomize button and our character should now instantly get a completely random combination of hair color, skin tone, armor, and weapon. We've successfully implemented a randomize feature that works across all customization panels, giving players an easy way to discover new character combinations. In video 6, we'll add a name panel that allows players to give their character a custom name, which will be displayed above the character's head. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.